The easiest 4 minutes Malaysian veggie garlic Yau Mak. If you ever sat down at a Malaysian Thai Pai Dong or restaurant or hawker center, you've definitely seen this stir-fried Yau Mak. Most people know this as romaine lettuce, and usually it is cold in a Caesar salad, but in Malaysia, we transform it into a crunchy, savory, garlicky masterpiece. Normally, Malaysian Chinese style Yau Mak is cooked with fermented bean curd and oyster sauce, but today I'm showing you a super easy everyday version, just garlic, salt, oyster sauce, and a splash of Chinese Shaoxing wine. Simple ingredients, big wok flavor, and it's ready in under 4 minutes. So what exactly is Yau Mak? Yau Mak is the Cantonese name for romaine lettuce. Yes, the same lettuce you usually see in salad, but in Malaysia and Chinese cooking, we stir-fry it. Once cooked, Yau Mak becomes soft but still crunchy, light, juicy, and naturally sweet. Perfect for soaking up garlicky sauce. If you are in Sydney, you can easily find Yau Mak or romaine lettuce at Asian grocery stores. It's affordable, fresh, and cooks beautifully in a wok. This is the kind of vegetable dish you will see at Malaysian family dinners or in hawker centers, serving rice and simple home-cooked dishes. First, wash the Yau Mak thoroughly. Separate the leaves gently and rinse them well to remove any dirt or sand. Now cut the Yau Mak into small bite-sized pieces about 3 to 4 centimeters long. Once washed, drain it properly. This is very important. Too much water will make the stir-fry watery instead of fragrant. I like to separate the thicker stems from the leafy parts. The stems need slightly more heat. At the top, the leaves cook very quickly at the bottom. Set everything aside and we are ready to cook. Now heat your wok or frying pan on medium-high to high heat. Add oil and let it heat up until just shimmering, not smoking. A hot wok or frying pan is the key to keeping the lettuce green, crisp, and not soggy. Add the garlic to the hot oil. Today we are using 1 big garlic clove, or you can mince it for more fragrance of the garlic. You want it golden and fragrant, but be careful, don't let the garlic burn or it will turn bitter. Now is the best time to add on 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Now stir quickly and let it turn lightly golden and fragrant. If you mince the garlic, it will actually turn brown or golden really quickly, so be careful. The moment you smell the garlic aroma, move to the next step. Now, put in the Yau Mak, which is romaine lettuce. It looks like a lot, but it will wilt down in seconds. Keep the heat high. This is how we check the wok height or breadth of the wok. You can add the leafy parts at the end. Stir-fry quickly, lifting and tossing so everything cooks evenly. You will see the lettuce start to soften and release a little moisture. This is normal. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure that you click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you won't miss out any upcoming recipes. Now let's go back to our stir-fried Yau Mak. Now it's seasoning time. Add half a tablespoon of premium oyster sauce. Give it a quick toss so every leaf is coated in that glossy brown umami goodness. If you are vegan, make sure that you change the oyster sauce to the vegan version. Alright, the finisher, the secret step. Right before you turn off the heat, drizzle a little of Shaoxing wine around 1 tablespoon around the edge of the frying pan. Let it sizzle down into the veggies. The aroma, that's exactly what makes Malaysian stir-fry so iconic. Once the leaves are just wilted, still bright green, and the stems are tender but crunchy, turn off the heat immediately. Overcooking will make the lettuce dull and watery. Now serve immediately while it's hot. Simple, clean flavors, just like how we cook Yau Mak in Malaysian homes. You can clearly see the lettuce is still crisp, the garlic is sweet, and the Shaoxing wine gives it a floral depth that ties it all together. This is a perfect side dish for steamed rice and a simple omelette. Here's recap my stir-fried Yau Mak veggie recipes, or you can go to hankerie.com for print out recipe. Also, if you want to see what else you can do with leafy greens, make sure to check out my next video. Easy and delicious stir-fried Chinese spinach, quick healthy recipe. This stir-fried Chinese spinach is packed with nutrients and flavor. If you enjoy this super easy Malaysian vegetable hack, please hit that subscribe button or click on the notification bell. It helps the channel grow and allows me to share more taste of home family recipes with you. See you in the next one. Goodbye.